Welcome back, squad. Attempt to guess popular memes. You have just a brief moment to provide the right response. All right, let's go. Which meme is making an appearance?
Bang, 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 bang.
The countdown begins. And it's none other than the intergalactic Ben Mimi.
Bang, 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 bang.
Swinging into our next meme. Can you spot the masked marvel? Time's ticking. It's the Miles Morales meme. Anime vibes incoming. Which meme is grooving to the Toka Toka beat? Hurry up! It's the Toka Toka anime meme. Can you identify this meme's hilarious expression?
Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30
Time's running out. And it's the Venom meme.
Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30
Guess the feline meme in a flash. Time to reveal, it's the happy cat meme. The meme with the wrestling vibes. Drum roll, please. It's none other than the John Cena meme. Get ready for supersonic laughs. Can you catch this speedy meme? Time's whizzing by. It's the Sonic meme. Which meme features the Smurf-tastic dance moves? Let's unveil. It's the Smurf Cat meme. Ready to rock and roll?
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work.
Identify the powerhouse meme in 3, 2, 1. It's the rock meme.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work.
Suspect the meme.
You try and hide it, but I see through you. In every alibi, you try to veil the
Time to reveal. It's the crewmate from Among Us.
You try and hide it, but I see through you. In every alibi, you try to veil the
Watch out for the spikes.
Do you yield?
I do not.
Can you guess the king of the meme castle? Revealing the fiery meme, it's Bowser, meme-ing with a royal roar.
Do you yield? I do not.
Behind the camera, but not behind in meme-worthy moments, time to unveil. It's the one capturing all the meme magic. Let the rhythm take control.
All the boys say wow, wow. Girls in the back say wow, wow. Into the party, call me Dandy Candy, 'cause I'm high.
Time's ticking. It's the meme.
All the boys say wow, wow. Girls in the back say wow, wow. Into the party, call me Dandy Candy, 'cause I'm high.
Can you catch this cat meme grooving to the beat?
Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música.
Drum roll, please. It's the Toka Toka cat meme. Can you guess the dance moves of this iconic meme? Time to reveal. It's the Chippy Choppa Choppa meme. Guess the meme.
Today, I wanted to eat a croissant. So I went to a place that sells
Revealing in 3, 2, 1. It's the quazo meme, a tasty meme for sure.
Today, I wanted to eat a croissant. So I went to a place that sells
Drama meme alert.
I'm gonna be one of those, and I'm gonna be a statue erected in gold. So understand.
I think you're smart.
Right.
I think you're being an idiot.
Of course. And people.
Can you guess the meme? Revealing, it's Dream versus Gumball meme.
I'm gonna be a statue erected in gold. So understand.
I think you're smart.
Right.
I think you're being an idiot.
Of course. And
Ready for this convincing meme? Can you identify this meme? Time to unveil. It's the If You Want It meme. Can you guess who is dancing?
There is a man, a certain man, whose very name means entertainment.
Hurry up. Time to reveal. It's Walter White dancing with immaculate moves.
And he'll do all he can. What is that name?
It's Byron Crandon.
No.
The final meme is here. Can you tell who's giving those spectacular expressions? It's Patrick Bateman with his Sigma expressions. And that's a wrap on our Guess the Meme challenge. How did you do? If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more meme-filled fun. Until next time,